So how to gain weight? This topic has been requested quite a few times over the past few weeks, so here's my answer. Gaining weight is basically of two types. You can either gain fat or you can gain muscle. Either ways, your diet more or less remains the same. So let's start with that. What kind of a diet do you need in order to gain weight? So the first thing you have to do is you have to be in a caloric excess. What does that mean? Basically, your body burns X amount of calories every day. You have to eat more than X. So if you're burning 2000 calories a day, you're supposed to eat 2300 calories a day. Now to check how many calories you actually burn, I've put a link in the description. You can go put in some stats. I will give you a rough estimate of how many calories you burn. A good place to start off. Continuing, you will need to eat more calories than you burn. How do you do that? Many ways. One way I would suggest is to consume more liquid calories. They are relatively easier to consume in large quantities. Also, they tend to taste good and are easy to make. So win-win. You can start off with a really good dense breakfast milkshake, which will give you a lot of calories the first thing in the morning. Full fat milk, dates, bananas, peanut butter, ice cream, cocoa powder, protein powder. There are a lot of options you can put into this shake. Mix and choose however you want. Not only will this shake give you the calories you need, but it's a very good way of getting a lot of nutrients first thing in the morning. Next, you need to snack, and snack as often as you can. Again, you have a lot of options. You can have trail mixes, peanut butter jelly sandwiches, protein bars, breakfast bars, cheese, flavored yogurt. Lot of options. Also, eat these high calorie snacks along with your regular food. So you can grate some cheese on top of your lunch. You can add some nuts as condiments. Go crazy. Small things like these are a good way to sneak in 100-200 calories every single day. Along with this, replace your low calorie foods with some higher calorie alternatives. So full fat milk, red meats, whole eggs, whole grains, nuts, avocados, coconuts. Replace your low calorie foods with these high calorie alternatives. Again, these high calorie snacks are relatively easier to consume in slightly larger quantities, which will just make your journey a little simpler. Now listen up. A really important thing to keep in mind is you need to prioritize your protein consumption first, then comes the fats and carbs. Just make sure you do not lose out on the protein. Another equally as important point, just because you're allowed to eat high calorie food does not mean you have to eat junk food. Your goal is to gain weight, not clog your arteries. While you can still have those, you're supposed to avoid them for better, more nutrient dense alternatives because you want to become a healthier person, not just put on weight, right? Now, the next part, exercise. If you do what I just told you to do, you will gain fat. If you do all of that and exercise alongside, you will gain fat and muscle. So in exercise, weight training is your best friend. Medium weights and medium reps. That's around 10 to 12 reps will help you gain size the fastest. Now when it comes to volume, I would ideally suggest 3 to 6 sessions a week, but that really is dependent on your past experience. If you are a beginner, 3 sessions are more than enough for you. But if you've been working out for a while, if you're confident, 6 sessions is not a problem. Now as you start working out or increase the frequency and intensity, you will also have to balance that with protein consumption. Now when it comes to weight gain, the best suggestion I can give you is make sure everything you eat or almost everything you eat is calorie dense. If you think you're eating as much as you can and you're still not gaining weight, I'm sorry to tell you, you're just not eating enough. You have a higher than normal metabolism and that just very efficiently burns all food you eat and efficiently makes sure you don't store fat. And if you want to battle that, you're going to have to go the extra mile. You're going to have to work out quite a bit and eat as much as you physically can. I gave you a couple of methods of how you can sneak in calories, but you have to sneak in more calories if you're not seeing results. Avoid having liquids before you eat. Drizzle some olive oil on your food, put a spoon of cream on top of it. Have homemade pasta, have a lot of rice. Do whatever you can to consume as many calories in the simplest way possible. You still need to get healthy. Just eating junk food may make you gain weight, but you will lose that weight again as soon as you stop eating it. And that's about it for weight gain. You just have to be patient, do it for long enough, and I promise you, you will see the results. If you still have any questions whatsoever, put them down in the comments or you can send me a DM on Instagram. I'm at CoffeeShub. And if you learned anything from the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.